When I was starting my academic career, I had a choice to make. I was on the golf team and I really loved it. I also was working very hard in the classroom and outside of the classroom developing my academic career. I ultimately chose my academic career, but the lessons that I learned on the golf course and outside of the golf course inspire me to this very day. Things like focus, things like self-discipline, things like work ethic, things like working when no one's watching, working in the shadows when you're not getting the praise or the credit for doing so. These are all things that inspire the work that I do today. After law school, like a lot of people, I fell for someone and I came out to New Mexico. I ended up falling in love with New Mexico and starting my career here. I was lucky enough to start my career at a high-level criminal defense firm where we did criminal defense and civil rights litigation. I was lucky enough to be a district attorney for several years. And those experiences really developed my courtroom practice, my trial skills. And I've always wanted to do divorce and family law. And transitioning into that work, I bring those skills with me, and it gives me the opportunity to get just the absolute best outcomes that we can for our clients. When I think about divorce and family law cases, the thing that really stands out to me is that for a lot of my clients, this is an unexpected time, it's a very difficult time, it's a traumatic and chaotic time. Nobody goes into a marriage thinking that they're going to ultimately be divorced. So it's a sad time, it's a difficult time. What I really try to do is I try to bring a little bit of clarity to that process, and I really want to try to build trust. I want to make sure that the clients feel heard, that I tell the clients the things that they need to know, and that they understand that the trust is not given, it's built. And over the course of the representation, I want to make sure that we build that trust that carries throughout the entire process. If someone hires me as their divorce and family law attorney, they can expect that they're going to be heard, they can expect that their story is going to be taken seriously, and they can expect that they're going to have somebody who's going to work to effectively communicate that story to the court, to opposing counsel, and to anybody else that needs to hear their story. At the end of the day, they can trust that they're going to have somebody who's going to work with them throughout the entire process and who's going to work very hard to try to get them the outcomes that they really deserve.